right, here's the other cute little.
So cute.
So this is the GoGo Mini Detailer.
Okay.
And this one you're going to be using to get rid of frizz, to straighten, to do some lift, to do any kind of flip and flicking. Again, great to put in like your gym bag or your work bag, like so you can have it to touch it up. You've got a lot of long hair. I don't expect it to be your tool, but once you've done your hair and you need something to touch up, especially if like your hair gets frizzy and you just want to smooth it back out, this is it. So I'm gonna show you how you do it, okay?
Great, yeah.
So I love the detailer because you know how you do your hair and it looks great, and then just to look in a mirror like an hour later and it's frizzy.
Always.
Or the other day, right? So we're gonna just knock that out. I'm just gonna show you because that's the first thing I swear by it for.
Okay.
So literally, I just brush through. I mean, as soon as you brush through one time,
Oh my
right?
gosh, yeah.
Exactly. But you can come through and make it as straight or as smooth as you like, or if you just, because this is a bang, we want it to go back, we can do that too.
Whoa.
But yeah, see how this side
Yeah.
and that side,
Oh my goodness.
instant.
Can I try?
Yeah. So I like to brush through it first one time before then I go nice and slow.
Okay.
So just brush through that section a little bit and then go one more time, nice and slow. There you go. You can go under, you can go back, go straight down. Ooh.
Whoa.
that
looks really good.
So you know how it gets really frizzy right there near the hairline? So I like to put this in and just really, you can touch it. You can touch your skin, no problem. But I really like to get right in there and get all of that kind of frizziness gone. And then we can either come perfectly straight with it, and I'll also show you how to wave, but all you have to do is come down and we can just bevel that a little bit in so it's just straight, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you the wave and then you can decide. So again, getting into that root where it wants to be nice and kind of frizzy, make sure we get that. And then when we come around the bottom, you can just spin this a little bit. See how that's like that? If you want to touch that up, just spin it around and it'll create a wave.
So first I'm gonna get close to my root.
Yeah, wherever you see the frizz, just make sure you get it in there. See, it just smooths that. And if you just use it as a brush, it works great.
Try and get it in. Just gonna
See, just smooth it beautifully.
smooth it first. Okay. So now I'm gonna try to spin it.
Okay. So you just make sure the hair's in there. Yeah, nice. And then just do a full circle with it. Yeah, but slowly. There you go. Nice and slow, because it's running through there.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. There you go. You got a wave.
Yeah. I want to try this spot because this spot always gets really frizzy on me. So I'm just
yeah.
gonna push it in tight.
And go nice and slow because you that is your frizziest spot. So you want to like really, ooh, you're doing great. You're giving it good tension. Yeah, keep giving it nice tension. That's what's going to smooth it. Make sure it stays in those teeth on the ends. There you go. You did it.
I did.
And if you need it a little bit, like ends how they get frizzy, just when you're coming through at the end, make sure it's the heat is in the inside, not the teeth. So you want to keep it in those triangular teeth.
Okay.
Right? Like you want it right. See, and then even that's smooth.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Look, you got rid of all of that frizz. And I like the waves that you made.
I do too.
And you could do it straight if you want. The whole thing can go completely straight.
I love how it's so small and I can actually bring it anywhere without being worried about my hair frizzing up.
It's the best. It's like confidence in your little purse. And then like on the days that you wear it straight, you know how it really wants to find its way back to frizzy. So just come nice and slow. See, that's just going through that teeth and just come all the way down and just.
Oh, wow. Oh, I'm going to love it for that.
Here, try it when you brush it straight. Yeah, isn't that nice?
Wow.
Just goes through and go nice and slow. The slower you go, the less frizz the longer the frizz will stay away.
Oh, wow.
That's
Just
great.
like brushing your hair.